This video have the best RAM optimization possible on Windows 11 from the most basic to the most advanced system level. One of the easiest way is to search for Windows PC Manager. As you can see, Windows PC Manager. So let's open it. By just one click, we can boost the memory and clean up the temporary file. The next way is opening the Task Manager. You have to go over the Start button and left click and click on Task Manager. And after it opens, go to Startup app, see for any enabled app and go and disable it. Now you can close it. Search for any previous Windows memory cleaner you have installed and then open its file location. As you can see, I am uninstalling the Windows memory cleaner. You have to uninstall these. Now the next step is you have to open Microsoft Edge and go to the setting. In the search bar, you have to search background and turn off the continue running background extension. Now close the window. Now you have to download an specialized RAM app. Search ISLC and download this. Click the link here. I have already downloaded it, so I can just execute it. Extract. You have to extract and yes to all. It is now done. You can close it. Now we will go to the advanced level. First, go to settings and then go to privacy and security. Then search indexing options and then go to advanced and then select delete and rebuild index. Click OK. It is now done. As you can see, the items are being indexed. Now let's move to the next step. Now press Windows plus R. A new dialog box will open and search MSConfig. Click OK. Now a new dialog box will appear. Go to services and as you can see, there are many services running. So now select hide all Microsoft services and then click disable all. Then click apply and OK and click exit without restart. Go to search menu and search for system, and when you see advanced system settings, click here and then open the advanced tab, then click to the performance and you will see here adjust for performance. One most crucial thing is that you should enable the smooth edges of the screen font, otherwise the fonts will be blurry. Click apply. OK. Now next step. You should do next steps only if you don't do any payment related or banking related work in your PC, because the settings can reduce the security of the device. So proceed with caution. So you have to come to the settings and then search for core isolation. After clicking, you will open Windows Defender. Now turn it off. Click yes. Now it is off, and to apply the changes you have to restart it. But for now you should wait. It has been now turned off, but you still need to go more deep. Now click Windows plus R and type Regedit and click OK. And now you will open the registry editor. Now search for local machine. Now you have to copy the path you are seeing here. And now go to the device guard. As you can see here, after coming to the location, you have to click the last one and set the value to 0. Then click OK. Then go back. I hope my video is useful for you and you have successfully made your system much more optimized and ready for work. Now if you want me to make more videos on these topics, tell me in comment section right here. Until then, bye.